Hi lovely people, welcome back to my tutorial for today. I sincerely appreciate you guys for all your support and thank you very much for stopping by. And please, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly touch on that red icon to subscribe. It's absolutely free. And also touch the notification bell. Select all to be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. So in our today's class, we shall be looking at how to make a kid's face mask. So first we'll be drafting it out on this pattern paper. Then after that, we place it on our fabric. So here, I'm making use of 10 I'm making use of 10 by 5 inches of this fabric. Sorry, of this pattern. 10 here. Then for the width, 5 inches. So that now I'll fold it into two this way. So the next thing to do now is to mark our midpoint here. This is 5 inches. So we check for the midpoint, which is 2.5, and we mark our 2.5. Here. So this 2.5 again, we determine the half of this 2.5, which is 1.25. So we come down here, this side, by 1.25. Then we go up by 1.25. So here now, at the midpoint, the 2.5, we will go up by 3.5 inches. And for this face mask is for the ages ranging from 6 to 8 years. So in my description, I'll also be writing down the one you can use for age of 2 to 4 and 4 to 6 there. So I'll just draw a straight line here. So now at this point now, this 1.25, I'll make a line. I'll just connect it to the edge. I'll just connect this 1.25 to this edge here and connect this 1.25 to this edge. So the next thing to do now is at the midpoint here, I'll go up by 1/2 inch. Here now, I'll go up by 1/2 inch. Then I'll connect it from this point to this point to the half, and from the half to this point. So I'll just curve it slightly this way. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So this is what I mean. So I just draw 1/2 inch here. So from this edge, I did a slight curve to meet this edge here. Here I measured 1 point 1.2 1.25 from this half, which is 2.5. I measured 1.25 here and 1.25 here. So from this 1.25 I connect it to this edge, and from this 1.25 I connect it to this edge, then draw a line to join it together. So the next thing to do now is to cut it out. So here, so after that I have this. So I'll just use this now to cut out my fabric. Okay, now I will just fold my fabric into two this way. Then I'll place this pattern on top. Then I'll cut it out. Okay, now I've carefully cut it out. So the next thing to do again is to cut out another one, making it into 4 pieces. Okay, now I have my complete 4 piece. There again, I'll cut out my elastic. The elastic I'm using is 6 inches. 6 inches. So I'll quickly go to my machine now. Or let's go together and do the join. Okay, what I will do now is to close up this part, this bigger part here like this. I'll close up the second one too, this way. Okay, now I've closed here the center part in here too. I'll just join the two together this way. I'll just face it front to front so that the two back will be outside. Hope you're seeing me. So the next thing to do now is to fold this edge this way, fold it in this way, then fold this one too this way. It will be like this. So I'll just sew here, from here like this. I'll just sew here round. Okay, when I'm sewing, I'll also open up this center part, then I'll stitch it. Okay, reaching the end too, I also fold the two edges like I did to the other part. Okay, see, I've turned it over and I have this. The next thing to do now is to fix my elastic. I just put it this to this edge, this way, and I'll put to the other edge, and I'll sew and close it up. Just make sure you have like half an inch inside, then you now close it. Now sew it at the end here to close it up. Okay, so this is the finishing part. Thank you for watching till the end. So we'll meet in my next class. And please, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so by touching that red icon to subscribe. Love you all. Bye.